Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 30th of September 2020 and currently time is 9:15 am. Now coming on to our watch list. So traders, we are having Axis Bank, NTPC, ONGC, Tata Motors and IndusInd Bank in our today's watch list. Okay traders, so I will be watching chart of each of these stocks, and when I'll get any opportunity I'll update you. So now I'm pausing the video. So traders, I am seeing an opportunity in IndusInd Bank, so I will sell 10 quantities with market price. So now I am placing the order. It has been now placed and executed also. Okay traders, and okay traders, you can see here our risk reward is also good, that is 1.66. Now let us place our target and stop loss. So our target will be 511.05 and our stop loss is 533.90. So let us place this order also. It will take some time to get placed, so no worries about it. And we have placed our target and stop loss, and now traders, we are in the trade. Okay traders, so let it gain some momentum towards our target or stop loss, and when it will hit any I will update you. So traders, you can also see here a target and stop loss has been placed in the system also. So now I am pausing the video and I will update you after some time. So traders, as you can see, our stop loss got hit. Okay traders, so let's calculate our today's loss. Our total loss points were 8.60. Okay traders, 8.60. So 8.60 and our quantities were 10. So today's total loss is 86 rupees, and whether it has stop loss, but let me tell you the logic which I was thinking that it can happen. So traders, first what did this, I made a support and resistance. Okay traders, so when I seen that the price was spending some time near this support price, so I thought that there are some chances that it can give a good breakdown of this support, but this not actually happened, and it got triggered our stop loss. Okay traders, so it's okay, we accept our loss. Sometimes we also have to accept the loss, and just only this was the setup, so practice is going on. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from me, and thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.